Hello guys, my name is Serge. I want to show you in this tutorial how you can actually record your PC screen while restarting the same PC. But before we get started guys, please subscribe to this channel and hit the ring bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. So guys, the powerful tool to make this task possible is VMware Workstation Player. So guys, first thing first, let's download VMware Workstation Player. For those who don't know, VMware Workstation Player is a software tool that's used to install one or more virtual machines on your computer. So you can find the link in the description below and download the VMware Workstation Player. Install it, install Windows 10 on it, and you are ready to go. So guys, with VM being installed on your PC and Windows 10 being installed on that, you can use any recording software to record your screen while restarting your PC. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how you can download and install VMware Workstation Player, install Windows 10 on it, don't worry for that. Just find the link below on the description of my other video where I am explaining a step-by-step how you can do that. So guys, this is it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ring bell so that you don't miss any of our content like this. With this being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.